Welcome back to Joy Tutorials. Now I am going to take class 8 biology subject lesson 2 cell, the basic unit of life. Okay, here endoplasmic reticulum was identified by Italian scientist Emilio Verratti. Okay, this endoplasmic reticulum based on the appearance, two types: rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. This endoplasmic reticulum attached to the nucleus, then it connects cytoplasm to the nucleus to the cell membrane or plasma membrane. This endoplasmic reticulum based on the appearance, rough endoplasmic, smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Here ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. These are the fluid filled lumen, tube like structures. Okay, these are like canals. This is endoplasmic reticulum rough appearance because of due to the presence of ribosomes. This rough endoplasmic reticulum main function is protein synthesis. Protein synthesis. Synthesis of proteins. Next one, smooth endoplasmic reticulum plays important role in transport system. It transport chemicals within the cell or between cells. Okay. This smooth endoplasmic reticulum main function is lipid synthesis. What is lipid synthesis? This is nucleus. This is nucleus. This is about endoplasmic reticulum. Next one, ribosomes. Next one, ribosomes. These are the main function protein synthesis. These ribosomes main function is protein synthesis. These are absorbed by pallid. These are absorbed by pallid. Then these ribosomes are 70s subunits, 80s subunits. Okay, larger subunits, smaller subunits. Smaller, larger subunits. Okay, here 70s and 80s. S stands for Swedberg units. S stands for Swedberg units. This is about ribosomes. Ribosomes absorbed by pallid. Okay, these ribosomes are main function protein synthesis. These are freely move in cytoplasm or either attached to the endoplasmic reticulum. This is about ribosomes. Next one, lysosomes and Golgi bodies. Before going to discuss about lysosomes, I am going to discuss about Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies, okay, here ribosomes are prepared proteins. Okay, protein synthesis, rough endoplasmic reticulum, protein synthesis. These proteins received by Golgi bodies. Okay, it makes bigger, better in size, bigger and better size. Okay, better function. These Golgi bodies absorbed by Camellia Golgi. Camellia Golgi. This Golgi bodies discovered by Camellia Golgi. This it makes proteins bigger and better in size. Next one, it helps in formation of lysosomes and peroxisomes. Lysosomes and peroxisomes. Okay, this is about Golgi bodies, peroxisomes. These Golgi bodies are sac-like structures, membrane bounded sac-like structures. Okay, this is about Golgi bodies. These Golgi bodies absorbed by Camellia Golgi. Next one, lysosomes. Next one, lysosomes. These lysosomes are discovered by Belgian scientist. Discovered by Belgian scientist Christian de Duve. Belgian scientist. That name is Christian D. Dubé. These lysosomes we can call digestive bags. Or suicidal bags. Okay, in our body, any foreign material like a foreign substance or any bacteria, virus, it will be enter in our body. It will digest any old aged cell, not functioning cells, dead cells, damaged cells. It will be digest. Intracellular digestion. It plays in intracellular digestion. Its work is intracellular digestion. It contains digestive enzymes. It contains digestive enzymes. It contains digestive enzymes. That's why it performs intracellular digestion. Okay, any foreign particle it will enter in our body. It will digest. Okay, it releases some digestive juices. With the help of digestive juices or enzymes, it will be destroyed. That's why we can call suicidal bags. Okay, these lysosomes freely move in cytoplasm. Next one, mitochondria. Next one is mitochondria. Mitochondria we can call powerhouse of the cell. We can call powerhouse of the cell. This is the mitochondria. Okay. Matrix. This is mitochondria.